Hello everyone, this is Arduino Project Genius. We have an unboxing dash review of a soldering kit from Banggood. So we got this package for $33. Here's the kit itself. I'm gonna open it now. So you get a user manual. You get a sucker. You get a tin wire. I believe it's 50 grams or so. You get a metal brush. Some tweezers. You get 5 soldering chips. This is good. I didn't think that this was included in the package. You get some screwdrivers, some opening tools if you want to open your laptop or so. Good. So you get some soldering assistant tools, 6 of them if you count the brush that I already showed. Then I'll try to get this out of here. You get a stand. I'm gonna put it together. Then the soldering iron itself. You can see the temperatures here. So you get 450, 400, 300, 350, 250 and 200. So I'm gonna test it now. I'm gonna put together the soldering stand. This is it, and you get a pretty good bag. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna try to melt some iron, some soldering. So as you can see, it's getting melted pretty easily. It's been only 30 seconds or so. So you can see it's getting melted very easily. And it's only on 300C, as you can see. And there is an LED. It's not flashing, but it's just a camera. So this is it, guys. Like the video if you like it. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Share the video with your friends. As always, you will find the links in the description. See you in the next video.